welcome back. Today we are making edible slime. Same day in a row because we just did the Warhead Challenge. If you think that we're going to need some edible Laffy Taffy slime.
Yeah.
And also jelly bean too. I'm going to go get the jelly beans.
Yeah. So.
Where did we put the bag again?
I know.
You see me in the forest thinking, where did we put the bag again? Where'd they go?
Go ask your dad.
Dad, where did you put the jelly beans? He's listening to the weather. Dad!
So you know we didn't. So if I told you that we had to make some if there's some likes on them, and we had to get 5 or under 5 or at least 5. We're not really doing that. At least 5 likes or under 5 likes.
Diana, he said we can't use the jelly beans, but I have another idea of what we can use.
Oh, okay. And we're just doing it today, after the
Warhead Challenge?
Yeah, the Warhead Challenge. Thank you for reminding me.
Okay, we have another bowl.
What are you doing it for?
Okay, you want to know what we're doing with that bowl?
Sure.
By any chance, can we use these?
Yes, good idea. So this, I cut the one
because it melts faster. But what we're doing, because we want to have just get rid of the leftovers basically and not eat them basically. We get 2 leftovers. No. Okay, so we're going to make sour slime. Alright. How long do we put this in the microwave for?
I don't know, probably 1 minute, or if it doesn't do it, let's do 2 more minutes.
I think 30 seconds. And if it doesn't melt, then I'll add another 30 seconds.
That would be 1 minute.
No. Axel Rose, baby Bobby.
Oh, Axel is Corinne's dog. We told you that.
Axel, say hi to the cameras. Papa.
Oh, and Corinne also has another dog.
Charlie. Yeah, she's not gonna listen. He's being a selfish.
Let's just rip this. It was a good idea to rip it. We're heating it up now. And now we don't know it. Show it to the camera.
1 second. Where'd the tiny spoon go? There it is.
But remember, if there's slime, you have to wash it. Oh, no. Charlie's trying to get Laffy Taffy. So it's actually...
No, Charlie.
You have to heat it up first.
Sugar or powdered sugar?
You have to heat it up until it's kind of liquidy.
That's the powdered sugar.
You have to heat it up more. Yeah, you have to heat it up. Not eat it up. It's heat it up. I'm gonna heat this up for 30 minutes, but it doesn't work, so just do another 30 minutes.
You mean 3 minutes?
30 minutes. So Corinne, you have to heat that up again.
I know.
So it'll make it make it a little bit slimier.
No, not Charlie.
I'm not eating Laffy Taffy. I'm eating. It's not Laffy Taffy, look. It's not the same thing. Oh, and if anyone any people haters watch this and you do unlike button, well, not really a like button, but
we will find you and we will kill you.
And if you say something bad in the comments, we will kill you in your sleep.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye. You'll be so savage.
Bye-bye.
If you have a TikTok account and you say something bad to us, we'll do the same thing. Because we're savage.
Go ask my What happened?
What? Look, it's trying to get slimier. Let's show it.
This is really hot.
Look at this. It's totally smell it. I don't really like the smell.
Yeah, this is like really, really sticky.
Here.
I'm trying to get it to go down. To meet up with the other ones. But it's like really sticky. And like forcefully not going down. It's like I have to use a lot of my strength to get it to go down.
Your hand is totally in the way, but it's okay. Look, it's trying to get slimier.
I think we need to add like powdered sugar or something.
See?
Well, while we're waiting, let's put the Laffy Taffy in.
Yeah.
Let's put it in for 30 seconds.
Yeah, she's gonna put it there, and then if it doesn't really work, we're gonna do another 30 seconds.
That's basically how we do it.
Yeah.
Okay, now where is the sugar?
Probably has to put like add a little bit of water in that thing because it's kind of like getting dried up. So let's like kind of put a little bit water in it if you want to.
Hey, get the bowl over here. Get the bowl over here.
Bowl.
Bowl over here. What's that, dude?
Hey. Oh gosh, God, so hot, so hot.
Come on, bring it over here.
So hot.
I know, it's hot.
How can you like do it when it's like so?
Put the bowl down. Sugar.
Don't put too much sugar. So I think we're supposed to like put a little bit of water on it to make it like soft.
Yeah, put like
Some dips.
like that much.
Yeah. Or like a little bit more.
I think that's
Like
like.
one more water pan.
Just don't touch the bottom because the bottom's like really hot.
I know. So super. It's getting hard, guys. Totally. Yeah.
Yeah, I have a job for you. While I'm over here mixing, I want you to go get the Laffy Taffy out and check it.
Okay.
I think
I don't know,
I
it's
think we might just have to eat it now.
Does it taste good? I'm gonna go get the last taffy.
I called dibs.
Oh my gosh!
Get it out.
Oh my god. I'm scared to get it out. Can you get it out? Let's see. Guys, look at the Laffy Taffy. It's like this, not really large, just
Hola.
it's like this. See?
Don't
Just
ask.
like, is that Jack?
It's Elena.
Elena?
Yeah.
Oh. I thought it was Jack.
We're making food slime, Elena.
Can I mix it? Slime. I think we have to put this in a refrigerator for a little bit. Just shake. Dun, 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 dun,
I need you to try to pick that off.
I was trying to.
That is a bad idea. I think so too. Because we literally got stuck in the bed. I was like, before we actually did it, I was like, I think it's gonna stick to the bowl, so we'll don't think we should do it. And then I was like, what's the worst that could happen? Everything.
So the thing is like this a little bit because they can't like get off. You'll see.
I don't know what to do. I think we just ruined one of... Would he notice if we threw it away?
Your dad's gonna get mad.
Just hide it under trash. He won't notice.
He'll notice to see. Or did you put it in that bag?
Oh yeah, by the way, remember how walking home from school we picked up a lot of trash?
Mm-hmm.
I even found a beer bottle.
Yeah.
Can I see this one? Yeah, none of that really did come off, so we're gonna have to just place that in.
I'm using it.
What are you doing with it?
Trying to eat it.
Well, so now the Laffy Taffy one has practically, I think, cooled off.
And wash this, and I'm gonna mix it.
Oh yes, the Laffy Taffy one, like I think did work.
Okay. All right. I want to mix this time, since you mixed last time. Please.
Like I came up with the idea. Okay, we need to go get some sugar.
Probably it'll dry it up again, Glenn.
It's not gonna dry up if we keep on mixing. So my job is to get sugar while you keep on mixing, okay? It's slimy, so not that slimy, but I need you to keep mixing it around like this. Diana, come mix it around like this.
Okay.
Like just keep on doing that in the bowl while I get some sugar to put in. Okay. So come on, put the bowl over here.
Yeah, I think that's enough. Yeah. 2 scoops.
It's enough.
So I'm trying to mix sugar and Laffy Taffy. It's not salt, it's just sugar. You taste some sugar.
It got stuck on my fingers. What can I say? Wait.
It's
I have an idea for when we do the prank wars.
Actually, we're not gonna. So in the prank wars, we're not gonna do it to each other, or we can do it to our family members.
Yeah, we're gonna do it to each other and family members.
Yes, do it to your sister.
So the prank idea that I'm gonna do is to you.
No, I'll do one to you too.
This is my evil face.
You sound like the chipmunks. What if I sit in your dog? I'm just joking. Oh, Mom.
I sound like Simon. Oh, what are you doing, Axel? Charlie's just like, get off of her. Alright, so it actually did work. Okay, so slime-wise,
Yeah, the Laffy
It
Taffy
worked.
kind of like did work. It's kind of a little bit hot. You have more.
slime-wise,
You have more than mine.
Slime-wise, it did work. Now let's taste test. It's good.
Yeah. Kind of hard.
I don't care. It's good. Good. That means you guys should definitely try this at home. Bye.